Yeah, starting.
Stupidity.
Anti-meta.
Oh fuck, it's anti-meta.
Versus. What's
This
that?
is meta. What the hell?
Zombies.
No, weekend meta.
Weekend meta.
Why are you
see?
looking at the back?
Hey, you're not cutting the cards. Cut it. So. Oh! This is synchro bitch. This is life point bitch.
No, this is the life point. This is the
Yeah, life point bitch. So we play.
Who goes first? Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. Right. You lost, bitch.
So.
Whoa!
Anti-meta starts.
I don't know why this card is here. Oh! It's pretty good day.
That paper card is burden. Okay, his turn.
I'm sorry. Heavy storm. Yes. Yeah, heavy storm. No, not yet. Why not yet? Set. Turn it. Why did you set that card? Fuck.
Oh,
I
see that? See that?
I told you
See that?
it's removed from play. 1-7. Okay.
6-1-7.
We have 5-3. 6-3. How do I know this is I play this card.
Spell Shattering Arrow.
Spell Shattering Arrow. You take 500 for every face-up
Destroy all
card.
face-up spells.
And trap.
Oh, nice.
You take 1,000.
Nice comeback.
Summon. Wait! You take
1,000.
1,000.
1,000 damage.
Attacking Tiger. Gay who? 200. Turn in. How much you take? 200? He takes 200. My turn? Yep. Draw. I'll play a lure. Drawing 2 cards. 1, 2. I'll remove from play Red Eye Zombie Dragon. I'll activate Heavy Storm.
Storm.
Attribute.
My left or right?
Ill Blood attacks face down. 2-1.
Top of your deck still.
Turn.
1-9.
I take 1-9. What happened?
I draw rock.
Draw. I summon.
Balik ha?
Attack. Something Ill Blood. Or take 1-8. Take 1-9. He takes 1-8, 1-9.
3.
I'm gonna die actually.
Plus 1-8.
Because you draw Heavy Storm in your first turn.
7-3 all in all.
Spell Shattering and Heavy Storm.
7-3 all in all.
7-3 all in all. Turn in.
Be sure. Nice.
Double
Bye.
My turn?
Yeah.
Draw. Play Book of Life. Reviving Ill Blood. Second summon. I'll remove Gaze Tiger Wanghu.
Wang.
Second summon. Normal summon from my hand.
Oh, fuck.
2 4 attacks.
Top of your deck.
Yes!
You're dead, bitch. GG.
Die.
I died.
1, 2, 3.
Going bullet. Yeah, bro.